Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York with part 5 of our multi-part series on Central Park. Multi-parts because the park is just so freaking big. We're going to pass Wagner Cove and the Falconeer statue, one of my favorite statues in the park. We'll walk past the Dakota building on Central Park West and then turn into Strawberry Fields and see the Imagine Mosaic Memorial by John Lennon. We'll visit the Conservatory Water, which is where those motorized sailboats are that a lot of tourists as well as locals like to hang out and sail their sailboats. And we'll visit the Curbs Boathouse, which is right there by Conservatory Water, for a quick snack and to throw back a cold one. And then close by we'll see the Margarita del Corte Memorial, which is actually a huge Alice in Wonderland statue that kids are encouraged to actually climb on. And we'll also visit the Hans Christian Andersen Memorial. And again, this is part 5 of an 8-part series. If you missed parts 1 through 4, you can catch up now here on the New York channel. And if you want to see parts 6 through 8, they will be coming up on the next several Saturdays. Or you can just binge watch everything. It'll be well over 2 hours, but you might want to do that as well. This is a New York Vault video, which means it was recorded prior to the pandemic, but now I'm adding a little bit of commentary and some music in the background and bringing up the background sounds, the sights and sounds of Central Park as well in this video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy part 5 of Central Park.
Congratulations, Yawk, you've made it back to Central Park. This is your big finish down the hill. And take a look at the finish line.
It means Yoko Ono, she's still crying for John Lennon. That's why.
I knew it. How about
Music Affiliation England, UK, for Prestige Award. Lighting and players.
מבקש חתימות. הוא חוזר במונית, ואותו צ'למן מחכה לו באותו יום בצהריים.
The rest of it is just the other one.
Then around the Panko chair, that's where you're gonna be.
Oh, right there?
But there's difference between the publicizing the title. I'm not sure whether you and then the other
That was not
I give you the free one, but you can pay them you.
have to, if you have to.
You guys want to come back here on the ways to get
Summer cut. That's her winter cut.
She is on exactly.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.